Miro tutorials for beginners. How to use Miro workspace for innovation. You can create these types of animation for your videos or your contents onto Miro. So first of all, you have to visit this site miro.com, and from here you can check out your products. Their products, they have intelligent canvas, AI integration, security developer platforms, diagramming, and all other these services. And if you want to know their pricings, you can tap onto this pricing and you can get their pricing. You can scroll down and you can see what they offers and what they don't. So here you can see your email address. You just have to put up your email address over here, and then you can sign up for free very easily. For now, I'm gonna tap onto my Gmail account and continue like that. So now I'm being logged into Miro. So after coming over to Miro, I'm going to show you how you can use it. You have to answer some basic questions like what's your team name. I'm going to add my team name to team. And then I'm going to answer that what type of work I do. Then I'm going to type on team manager. Then you have to choose that what is your company name, size. Then you have to type continue. You can invite teammates using Slack, Gmail, like you can enter the Gmail address and you can add them. You can also use your Microsoft account, but for now I'm going to skip this part, like skip step. Now you have to enter these questions like where would you like to start with Miro for. I'm going to tap onto Kanban framework. Okay, Kanban framework. Okay, now let's start. So now let's get started. So this is the interface of Miro, that how it looks like. So to use it, here you can see these options like what are you using right now, trackpad or mouse. I'm going to answer that question. Now you can see how it looks like. You can scroll down to zoom out and scroll up to zoom in. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Now you can easily customize your Canva board from here. For example, you have to enter your Canva name over here, then you have to type something like you can manage your teamwork visually with Swimlabs. So answer like team work 1, then I'm gonna team B2, team work 2. You just have to answer these questions. You can then answer you switch type, like what type of teamwork do you want. So I'm going to add it over here. So as you can see, it has already been added. Now you can add emojis if you wish to. You can make it bold if you wish to. Then you can change the font style. Okay, like this. So I'm going to choose it like that. So this is it. Now you can just let me cut this one. You can just customize everything. Here you can see this option templates. You can choose some previously made templates over here, which is previously made, so you can use these templates if you wish to. You can also preview them. So as you can see, the template has been added. I'm gonna add it over up here with my title, like you can see this. Now you can type something to it, for example team 1. So I'm gonna change the size of it to bigger. Then I'm gonna change the color of it to yellow. So let's change the color of it to black. Okay, I think black is okay. This one is also okay. Now I'm gonna type it to team 2, and then I'm gonna change the color again. If you want, you can also add more works from here. For example, you can also add more types of works from here. Just simply tap on this plus icon and the task will be added. Now you can from west, and I'm gonna add it to from east. Now you have to answer all this. You can just add all these things from here. Then here you can see this activity. You can just also preview it, like you can present it. So this is what it will looks like. So as you can see, now you can customize it also. Now for now, let's stop the presentation. Now let's say you want to create more pages. Here you can see these plus options. From here you can create more data or docs if you wish to. You can add some docs over here, like untitled docs, and then you can add these docs. You can completely edit it if you wish to. Then you can just edit them. Also you can just copy link. You can export it as PDF if you wish to, but for now you can also choose the layer where to keep it, but for now I'm gonna delete this one. Okay, let's just keep it aside. Okay, let's delete it up from here. So this is pretty much it. Now here you can see these options. These are some shapes and lines that you can add over here, and let's add it over here. Okay, so you can customize this everything according to your need. You can add some templates from here. You can view some templates from this side. For example, you can add these templates to your board here. So this is what it looks like, a professional one. And here you can see the one that we created. So I'm going to make it larger. So let's make it a little bit more larger. You just have to enter the text that you wish to add, then you can just use it very easily. Now this is what it looks like, what it will look like. So as you can see, this is what it will look like after creating the presentation. You just can create presentation, and so this is what it will look like. Here you can see. Now you can go back by tapping onto stop. This presentation will be stopped. Now just customize them according to your need. For example, I'm gonna add the text over here to starting of our new journey, and then I'm gonna choose this one to let's begin. Now let me show you. So as you can see, starting off our new journey, and as you can see, I have edited them. You can also share the board to others to join. For example, you can tap on the share option, and then you can just copy team invite link, and you can copy it. Also, you can enter email address to invite, and then you can simply just add your teammates, and you can add some things from here. For example, this text, you can change the text if you wish to. From over here you can just change the text. So from over here you can just change the text of your need, and you just edit everything and then just stop it. Now lastly, let me show you how you can share it. Here is the share button. Just tap onto the share option, and then you can choose it to anyone with the link, and then you can copy the invite link as I already showed you. You can also embed link with it. You can copy the embed code, and you can paste it over to any site or images if you wish to, and then if anybody click the image or text, and they will be redirected to this site. You can publish this template, and you can also use custom template by upgrading it. So there is the upgrade pricings of it. So you can just go over to miro.com and check out their offers. So that's it, and if this video is helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and keep watching our videos, keep supporting us, subscribe to the channel as I told you, and that's it. So see you on to another video, and let me know in the comment sections that if this video was helpful, and if you want a more briefly described tutorial of it, let me know in the comment section that too. See you on to another video.